There are hundreds of myths and legends about the creation of Stonehenge, the most colourful of which involve the likes of giants, Merlin, and even aliens. Obviously, this is not the case. The truth is that Stonehenge is a masterpiece of human ingenuity. The first Stonehenge was a simple circular ditch dug with antler tools around 5,000 years ago. By around 2500 BC, larger stones had been brought to the site, including giant sarsen stones from North Wiltshire, which could weigh as much as 30 tons. We're not entirely sure how the stones were transported, but it is thought that they were dragged on wooden rollers and loaded onto rafts where possible. Smaller bluestones were also brought to the site from Wales, a journey of over 250 kilometres. The stones were then worked into shape using hammerstones and erected using precisely interlocking joints, unseen at any other prehistoric monument. Ramps and counterweights were probably used to tip the upright stones into place, and a platform and levers likely raised the lintels. To fit the upright stones with the horizontal lintels, mortise holes and protruding tenons were created. The lintels were slotted together using tongue and groove joints, usually only found in woodworking. Erecting these stones took as long as 50 years, and the entire development of the monument took even longer, up to 800 years in total. Our ingenious ancestors brought engineering to a monumental scale, and in the process created the most iconic prehistoric structure in the world.